Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get a $100 Uber Eats coupon, completely free. That's right, you'll be able to order food, snacks, groceries, whatever you want from Uber Eats. And yes, I've used it myself already. That's why I'm making this video. I've now got over $1,000 sitting in my wallet, and I've been using it to grab meals basically for free. I was skeptical at first too, but once I saw it actually work, I knew I had to share it. This method is super simple. It works on both iPhone and Android, and the whole thing takes maybe 5 to 10 minutes if you follow the steps carefully. Just make sure to do exactly what I show you, and you'll get your own free $100 coupon in no time. Alright, let's jump into the step-by-step. So first, grab your phone and open your browser. It doesn't matter if you're using Safari, Chrome, or anything else. Just open a browser and go to the website twistycoupons.com. Once you're on the site, you'll see a bunch of different offers, but we are looking for Uber Eats. Scroll down until you see it, then tap on it. The coupons are limited, so don't wait too long. They go pretty fast. Now when you tap on the offer, you'll notice that the code is locked. Don't worry. Unlocking it is easy, and it's 100% free. All you need to do is complete 2 quick sponsor tasks. These are super simple, totally safe, and you won't need to pay for anything. You might be asked to download an app, play a mobile game, reach a certain level. It varies, but it's always free and takes just a few minutes. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this going to take forever or end up asking me for money? Nope. Like I said, I've done it myself, and it usually takes under 10 minutes. Some tasks literally take 30 seconds. Once you've completed 2 tasks, head back to the website, and your $100 Uber Eats coupon code should be unlocked and ready to use. If for any reason it's still locked, don't stress. Just complete one more task and refresh the page. That usually does the trick. I've used this to grab full meals multiple times, and the balance just keeps stacking if you repeat the process every few days. It's honestly one of the easiest ways to save big on food delivery. Thanks for watching, enjoy your free food, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.